In this lesson, we're going to revisit what we learnt in part 1, as well as learn how to sing along to the second verse and chorus. We will also learn how to play 2 more instrumental sections and perform the whole piece from start to finish. So, let's get started.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm going to play a string, then I'm going to leave a pause and I'd like you to play your string. I'd like you to just double check your ukulele's in tune with mine. Okay, so I'm going to start with a G string. I'll do that again. I'm now going to go to the C string. And again. Now I'm going to go to the E string. And again. And lastly, the A string. With each of the following rhythms, I'm going to say them out loud first of all, then I'd like you to pause the video and try and say them back. This is rhythm 1. Notice it starts with a rest. Rest, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, rest. With each of the playthroughs, I'm going to count in with a bar of 4, so that when you feel confident, you'll be able to play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, rest. Okay, pause the video there, give it a go by yourself, and then try and play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, rest. Going to take a look at rhythm 2 now. It is more challenging than rhythm 1. Rest, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 4, 1. Rest, rest, rest. We're going to try that same rhythm on our ukuleles, just again on the G string. I'm going to be using my thumb. After a beat of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. Okay, looking at rhythm 2A, you can see there's quite a lot of rest at the start of this. I'm going to count it out, same process as before. Rest, rest, rest and 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. I'm going to try that on the G string now, again with the thumb. Rest, rest, rest and 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. Starting to get a little bit faster now. I'm going to count it out for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. Okay, going to try that on the G string now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. So we're resting on beats 1, 2 and 3 at the start of this. So it's going to go rest, rest, rest and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. Okay, now we're going to try that long line on our ukuleles. I'm going to count us in again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Rest, rest, rest.
Do you remember the first instrumental section from last week? Here is Mr. Lockington playing it again. Just like last week, first listen, then practice, then see if you can play along. Here is the verse. And now here is the chorus. Let's learn the Quaver link section. This uses repeated Cs, 24 quavers, then 4 crotchets. First listen, then practice, then play along. Now let's learn the ending. Just like before, listen, practice, then try to join in. Good luck. Finally, we can play all of Let's Dance. This is the structure. Sing the first verse and chorus, play the verse and chorus plus the Quaver section, sing the second verse and chorus, play the verse and chorus, play the ending.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance. Let's dance. Hey baby, if you're all alone, maybe you'll let me walk you home. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more Wicket celebration pieces coming your way soon.